Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change the text size of text within Notion. So basically there are two ways of changing text. So first of all you can type slash and you can type the H. So as you can see you can type heading 1, so like this is a very big text, H2, heading 2, it's a bit smaller, H3, and it's smaller again, and you can continue with this. So you also can select toggle heading 1, so it's like a big toggle, and normal text here, H, as you can see, toggle heading 1, 2, 3, but you also can change the text, so you can make it smaller, when you go to tap on those three dots in the right upper corner, tap on it, and here you see small text. So tap on this and everything becomes smaller. So this way you can change the text size. You also can change the font. Maybe that makes it a bit smaller depending on the font. Or the full width. So you can change that if you want. What you also can do is just when you type normal text. For example, if you read this. And you can select this or just do this, and you can make this bold, this text bold, so it becomes a bit bigger like this. I'll make it italic, underline, just like that. So basically you can play around with that. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.